This is Disney Entertainment News Today with WDW News Today. I'm Rob Whiteside from WDWNT.com, and here now are the top Disney Entertainment stories for Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. In streaming news, a new Muppets series has been greenlit by Disney+. As previously reported, the series will focus on the Electric Mayhem Band. It will also star Lily Singh from A Little Late with Lily Singh. This series is developed and written by Adam F Goldberg from the Goldbergs fame, as well as Bill Beretta and Jeff Yorks. Quote, "The Muppets are renowned for quality, creativity, and unrivaled fun storytelling for the whole family," said A.O. Davis, president of Disney Branded Television. "We are thrilled to have Adam, Bill, and Jeff at the helm to bring all of these iconic and new characters to life in fresh and dynamic ways." Adam F. Goldberg is our resident Muppet enthusiast at Signature, and getting him to play in this sandbox with Bill, a longtime Muppet performer, as well as these beloved characters was a dream come true for him, Bill, and Jeff, said Johnny Davis, president of ABC Signature. "Their take is fresh, fun, musical, and, of course, hilarious. We couldn't be happier to be the studio that is helping them bring this band back together." This story follows the Electric Mayhem Band as they go on an epic musical journey to finally record their first solo album. Singh will play the human Nora, a driven junior A&R executive tasked with managing and wrangling the band. The band will come face to face with current music scene as they try to finally go platinum. The band members are voiced by Bill Beretta as Dr. Teeth, Eric Jacobson as Animal, Matt Vogel as Floyd Pepper, David Rudman as Janice, David Goetz as Zoot, and Steve Whitmire as Lips. "We are so excited to bring this story of the Electric Mayhem Band to the front and center of this new series," said executive producer David Lightbody. "They've been entertaining audiences since The Muppet Show, which debuted 45 years ago, so it's wonderful that these characters are finally getting to play lead rather than supporting roles." The movie Kanto continues to be the #1 movie on the Nielsen streaming charts. It hit #1 on the overall chart for the week of January 10th to the 16th. Now, it's no longer at the very top of the overall chart, but it beats out all of the other films of the week of January 31st to February 6th. These charts are about a month old. The minutes watched for Encanto were 1,329 million, over double the minutes watched on the #2 film, Home Team, on Netflix. Encanto is currently #3 on the overall list. Ozark on Netflix is #1, and The Book of Boba Fett, also on Disney+, is #8. Disney released a new trailer and poster for the upcoming Disney film Better Nate Than Never. This story centers around a 13-year-old boy, Nate Foster, of Pittsburgh, who dreams of one day becoming a Broadway star. This film releases exclusively on Disney Plus on April 1st. Yes, April 1st, 2022. If you want to check out that full trailer, it's on our website, WDWNT.com. The Netflix original Marvel shows have left Netflix, and we now know that they will be available on Disney Plus in the U.S. starting March 16th. These shows include Daredevil, Jessica Jones, Luke Cage, Iron Fist, The Defenders, and The Punisher. Now, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. will also be on there, even though it was not a Netflix original, and they're all coming March 16th. Are you excited to watch these shows again? I know I am. I love seeing Matt Murdock make his appearance in Spider-Man Far From Home, so I can't wait to see more of them. Marvel and Disney have released a new trailer and a poster for Moon Knight, which premieres in less than a month on March 30th. This 12-second teaser trailer features several quick shots of Oscar Isaac as Mark Spector, a.k.a. Moon Knight, and the new poster features him wearing a white suit and a mask with a crescent moon on his forehead. If you're excited about this show, let us know in the comments. I know that I cannot wait. According to theinformation.com, a source involved in the talks stated that Disney is considering launching a cheaper version of the Disney Plus streaming service with ads in the U.S. This new tier of the streaming service could help Disney reach their goal of making their direct-to-consumer sector profitable by 2024. The Insider didn't have any details on the cost of the platform with ads, and many other streaming services do already do this. Hulu, Peacock, etc. They offer cheaper monthly subscriptions with ads. But with Disney Plus currently at $7.99 a month, it'll be interesting to see what a commercial tier would look like and how that would affect the commercial-free tier. I guess we'll find out soon. Also soon, Sony has announced digital and home release dates for SpiderMan No Way Home. The latest Marvel Cinematic Universe film will be available digitally on March 22nd and on 4K UHD and Blu-ray on April 12th. They shared the news on Twitter with a recreation of that famous Spider-Man pointing meme featuring Tom Holland, Andrew Garfield, and Tobey Maguire. You can check it out on Twitter. Vudu fans can pre-order Spider-Man No Way Home as a standalone title for $19.99, or as part of the Tom Holland Spider-Man trilogy for $34.99, or as part of the 8-film Spider-Man bundle for $59.99. I can't tell you how many times I've bought these movies over and over again. Spider-Man No Way Home is Vudu's top-selling pre-order title of all time, beating out Avengers Endgame. And Spider-Man No Way Home has also surpassed Avatar as the third highest-grossing domestic film of all time. Avengers Endgame is number 2, and Star Wars The Force Awakens is number 1. From new superheroes to new animated movies and shows to music, there will be plenty to watch on Disney Plus during the month of March. Already this month, we've seen the release of Brain Games on the Road Season 1, Broken Karaoke Season 1, and Mickey Mouse Funhouse Season 1. Also, The Proud Family, Louder and Prouder Episodes 3 and 4, and West Side Story has now debuted on Disney+. Coming up on Friday, March 11th, is going to be Pixar's Turning Red making its debut, as well as Embrace the Panda, making of Turning Red. On Wednesday, March 16th, Big City Greens Season 3, Miraculous Tales of Ladybug and Cat Noir Season 4, Muppet Babies Season 3, Spidey and His Amazing Friends Season 1, and then you'll see The Proud Family Episodes 5 through 7 before the end of the month. Also on March 18th is Cheaper by the Dozen and More Than Robots. And then on March 25th, Olivia Rodrigo's Driving Home to You will premiere along with The Wonderful Spring of Mickey Mouse. And then finally, March 30th, Moon Knight Episode 1. Can't wait. In box office news, it has not been a smooth ride for the newest installment of the Indiana Jones franchise, but production has finally wrapped on the 5th film. Producer Frank Marshall tweeted a photo of the Indy baseball cap along with a caption, "That's a wrap, #Indiana Jones." With production being delayed by COVID-19 and a cast member even passing away on location just last year, it's been a long time coming for this film, but we are happy to see the production has finally wrapped. Indiana Jones 5 is set to release on June 30th, 2023. Also, the new Haunted Mansion movie will be arriving in theaters in 2023. This theatrical release is set for March 10th, 2023, and any digital release information is unknown at this time, but it will likely be delayed at least 45 days after the movie hits theaters. This new movie will focus on the classic Magic Kingdom and Disneyland attraction, but will likely not be connected to the previous film starring Eddie Murphy. This film will star Lakeith Stanfield, Tiffany Haddish, Danny DeVito, Rosario Dawson, and Owen Wilson. And if you're excited about this movie, again, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear it. In comic book news, Alligator Loki, who first appeared in the Loki Disney Plus series last year, is now getting his own Marvel Comics series. This first, called Family Bonding, is releasing March 11th, 2022, and the description says, Alligator Loki and Thor get to know each other at an Asgardian amusement park. It will be available on Marvel.com. Also, an adaptation of the incredibly popular Disney Plus series The Mandalorian into a comic book form was announced on the Star Wars official website, with its first release coming in June. The first series will be 8 issues, each chronicling an episode of the Disney Plus series set in the Star Wars universe. The series will be written by Rodney Barnes, and there will be several variant covers available for each installment. The cover art for the first issue was released along with the announcement, and you can find that on our website. And finally, in gaming news, the Disney Sorcerers Arena mobile game has added elements to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World, including a Spaceship Earth arena environment. That might be enough to get me into this game. The arena features Spaceship Earth covered in its iridescent points of light and the lucite fountain in front of it. Characters will battle on the pavement in front of the fountain, and users can now buy 50th anniversary outfits for Mickey and Minnie. Also, through March 31st, 2022, there'll be 50th anniversary themed daily login gifts. These include character tokens and spells. Disney Sorcerers Arena is available worldwide and can be downloaded for free on the App Store or Google Play and contains in-app purchases. For the absolute latest in Disney entertainment news, head on over to WDWNT.com and follow us on all of your social media platforms. If you're enjoying this show, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to UnplannedDowntime.com for more great YouTube content, and click that bell for notifications. Also, if you enjoy Disney movies and TV shows, don't forget to join us for our weekly review show, Deep in the Plus. We now have that live every Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern, and you can find previous episodes available on demand right now, right here on UnplannedDowntime.com. For the worldwide leader in Disney parks news and entertainment, this is Rob Whiteside saying, don't have a good day, have a great day. We'll see you soon.